What's up guys, it's Patty here. I'm back with another video. So as you've seen, I've been posting a lot more, and this video is one of the ones I've been so excited about showing you. Because it's something I've never seen a video out there on before actually. It is how you can use AliExpress and Alibaba when it comes to setting up your product on your store. So as we all know, we use AliExpress, especially in the beginning, to sort out our products, finding suppliers so we can actually start testing products. Why do I want to use Alibaba as well? Well, first and foremost, yes, we are only going to use AliExpress when it comes to sourcing the actual product and using it as your supplier. But where Alibaba comes into play is when it comes to setting up your store so it looks 10 times better. And I'm about to show you how you can do this. It's a very exciting trick. If you find any value in this video, or if you'd like to see more of these, please hit a like down below and subscribe to me. That will mean a lot to me. I have a goal to reach 1,000 subs in this year. We are at 113 and I appreciate all of you guys. So without further ado, I'm going to jump onto my screen here and we are going to move on with the video. So the first thing, as you can see here, is obviously AliExpress. This is because it's the main site. So what I want to tell you here is that, okay, let's just say right now you have found your product. So as you know, with AliExpress, there's a bunch of suppliers all over the place. But for the sake of this video, we are just going to pick one. And we're going to pick, let's just pick the first one. Here we are on the product page. Let's just say I've calculated everything. The shipping is good. 7 to 15 day shipping here is good. The pricing is good. Everything is set up, and I've actually already transferred this over to my store and put everything in. Patty, why do you want to use Alibaba then? Well, this is the core of the video. I'm about to show you why. So, first of all, I've just set my screen up like this so that this video window here is not going to flow out the side when I touch anything. Okay, so now again, we have everything here. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm actually going to go to Alibaba. Okay, if you're not familiar with Alibaba, it's pretty much the big brother to AliExpress. This is where you buy in bulk, right? So what we do as dropshippers, we buy one product at a time for each order that we get, right? That's the whole point about dropshipping, that you don't have to buy in bulk of your products. But with Alibaba, that's where most companies in the world buy in products, because it's also on Alibaba where you can really start to brand. You can get logos on their product itself. But again, that's not why we're here. This is going to be very, very interesting. So why? What, Patrick? What do you use Alibaba for? Let me show you. So first and foremost, we want to find the product, which were men's beach shorts. Okay, so obviously I want to go in. I want to find the exact same product. I think right now, again, for the sake of the video, I'm not going to spend too much time on that. I just want you to get the main point. But let's say these one here are pretty damn close. Again, it's set up pretty much the same as AliExpress. You have a bunch of supplies. But let's just say for the sake of this video, we're going to pick this one right here. Right now we're on the AliExpress. You know, as you can see here, everything is based upon if you buy in bulk, right? From 100 to 500 pieces, from 500 to 1,000 and 1,000 up. This is what you can buy it for. So as you see, the price also gets lower and lower and lower and lower. Anyways, that's not why we're here. Why we're here is simply because of the product images. So on AliExpress, you mainly get pretty decent images. They're good. I've used them for years until I really started to use this Alibaba method. And it's actually also brand new to me, because what I like to do, I like to get the product home and take some very in-depth pictures. But the fact of the matter is I don't do that with most products. So sometimes you always, or most times you end up going onto Google, searching, see if you can find the highest quality image out there. Whereas on AliExpress, you know, you get the standards one, you get them here, pretty standard, you know. And then what you can always do, as some of you guys may know, you can always scroll down. That's a weird image, but you can always scroll down and then you get images like here. But actually, as you can see, a lot of them are kind of like blurry. You know, it's not maybe the best images on the world. But Alibaba are 10 times better at having images, okay? So first thing we're going to do, we're just going to tap here. Right, so you see in a way better view, it's very easy to save the images. It's not as easy to do that on AliExpress. For example, to give you a show here, see, it's not just as easy. And you may, again, also may know that. So you're on here, I'm just going to release that, some forgotten. See, so the images here of the product itself is crisp. They are phenomenal, right? White background. This is exactly how you would do it if you bought them home, but now you don't have to. Most of the time, AliExpress don't have these images, or then if they have them with the white background, they have it on few of the images, right? So this is absolutely amazing. Another thing you will see with Alibaba, as you can see, product is just what we look through. They have a picture of each product, but they also have company. What is company? Well, now they're going to show us videos. I'm just going to cut off the sound here. They're going to show videos, and they're actually going to talk. They're talking about the manufacturer that is where they make these shots, right? So that could be, obviously, if you want to buy in bulk, you want to make sure everything is set up goodly, but see, you can watch awesome videos. And here they have them on actually mannequin dolls or whatever you want to call them. But one thing, so obviously you maybe don't want to show videos of where it's being promoted down there because maybe you want to promote it as, because when some people, when they see China, they don't really want to buy it, which is nonsense. But for example, a picture like this, where you can start putting that into your store, as it looks like you also have a physical store, right? You can say this is back home at our storage room or our manufacturer where we display all of our products. Can you imagine how much trustworthy this will pass on to the customer or the potential customer? You also have production line. If you want to, you can put in here. Maybe see if you can get like an image like this. So here is where we create our shorts. Like this here, for example, this image here. This is pretty damn good. Like it's awesome. And here, so you get my point, right? You get actual high quality images, and that is simply it. Use Alibaba for this. You can also scroll down. You actually have a lot more like information, in my opinion, on the product itself. So you can use that. But again, here, look how good of a quality this is. You see the fabrics. Sorry, but I'm just so excited about this because I know this will help out so many of you. Now you don't have to go on to Google. You have 10 different images from 10 different places. Each and every image is going to be from the same place with the same quality. Look at this quality right here, as well as here, as well as here. And you can just simply screenshot this or save the image. Again, it's so much easier on Alibaba. Look at this. You don't find this on AliExpress. It's just that simple. Look at the quality of this. You can really see that it is actually the supplier doing its best job to showcase their products, and that is amazing to see. So, guys, that is one of the coolest videos I've done. It is super simple, but I just haven't seen any videos out there online. Maybe it's just because I've passed them and I don't watch that many videos nowadays, even though I want to, because you always want to educate yourself. But I haven't really seen videos explaining how you can use Alibaba to get 10 times better product images. And as you know, images, videos, whatever you have of showcasing your product is vital. Having a bad quality image and having a high quality image with the same marketing, everything going on, you are going to get sales on this and you're not going to go on this, or at least you're going to get way more sales here and you're not going to go here. So high quality images, and where it looks like you are actually doing it from your own home or factory or storage room, is so vital. So guys, if you found any value in this video, if you want to go on, again, as I said in all videos, this video is only for good if you go out and actually use this on your own dropshipping store, and it takes no time to do and it's totally free. So go down, hit the like button if you like this video, ask me the questions below if you want to know about exactly what to do or any other videos you want me to make, and hit the subscribe button again if this gave you any value. It will help my channel out, and it will be super dope if you help me get to 1,000 subs. That will mean the world to me. If you're interested in working more one-on-one with me, hit the link down below. Send me a message on WhatsApp. We can talk about working one-on-one through my very successful mentorship. That could be super exciting. So guys, with all of this said, I'm going to see you in the next video next week. Be great.
Baby, I ain't heartless. I just learned to use my heartless. Baby, I ain't heartless. I just learned to use my heartless.